My average order value is £25. Is it worth running a Google Ads retargeting campaign? Okay, I have a low average order value. I keep trying to increase it. Don't judge me. Okay, I'm not judging you. Okay, don't worry. And I have tried multiple times to run Google Ads and just gave up because I could never do it profitably. Why? You can if you work with a company like us, and we are running also free audits as well. So in case if anyone wants to get a free Google Ads audit, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. However, I'm going to assume bottom of funnel ads retargeting warm traffic is probably a bit more likely to succeed. Okay, is it worth running a simple low budget retargeting campaign, or am I going to run into the same problem? Okay, you can run retargeting campaign for £25 a day, no issues. It's all matters on the number of visitors you have and your average list size on Google Tag Manager GTM. So if you have good traffic and you have good list, then yeah, it's good to go, and I will definitely run it if I were you in your position. So if you ask me, should I do it or not, so my opinion would be yeah, I will definitely do it. So yeah, it's a good option to do and you can do it. So yeah, good luck with it. And if anyone is a professional with Google Ads audit setup or management, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.